Good morning, everybody. As my home cottage is located in center of the town and area occupied is very less, so I cannot erect 40-meter dipole antenna, inverted V or any other antenna in my home cottage. I am not able to erect the type of antennas because of the very less area in my home cottage. For that, I collect a vertical multiband antenna which is already used by our good old past president OM S.N. Ramaraju, V to RMJ through V to KLG. The cable continues tested with digital multimeter, both ends. It is okay, perfectly okay. Nearby joint, approximately half feet dia, 5 turns of the filter cable is act as a coil to filter the noise and improve the quality of the signal. Putting radial to the vertical antenna. From ground level, approximately 5 feet mast. The vertical antenna is fitted with 5 feet mast. The antenna is 4 stage. The antenna has 4 stage for multi-band. V3 JJT OM Murugesan and V3 OTF OM Patmanaban. Nearby antenna is vertical antenna for 2-meter band. This is multi-band HF antenna. Now I am going downside to check up the antenna by SWR meter and home QRP BLEX 40, Redcom BLEX 40. Hall, 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 hall. CQ testing, CQ testing, CQ testing. Hall, hall.